Lay. Sir. Yeah.
Hi, Powerhouse.
Hi.
That's Ellie.
Hi. That's Dave.
We had an amazing night tonight. If you missed it, I cannot believe that you missed it.
Why would
because
you do that?
I know.
Why?
I don't know why.
Dave brought the word and he spoke about all of the lights.
All of the lights.
And it was phenomenal. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. We were pumped about tonight. It was our first week in the foyer.
It was great. I love the foyer.
And the atmosphere was just amazing. Ben Little was emceeing, which was pretty cool. It was just all around such a good night with the crew. So this Friday coming up, which is the 22nd of April, we have
Easter!
Easter!
Good Friday, to be precise.
Yes, Good Friday. So all the love punking, all of that, you know, we've still got 7 days to do it. Obviously, Ben Little is the example of the year when it comes to love punking.
I'm considering doing the knocking and running this week.
The knock and run sounds like a good love punk.
Fun.
It sounds filmable.
No.
Anyway, so make sure you're there. It's either 9 or 11 a.m. on a Friday, and obviously we've got Sunday services. And then the week after, we're heading it back up, Powerhouse.
I had never drank coffee before, but now that there's free coffee at Powerhouse, I dead set drink coffee now all the time.
I don't know if that's a good or bad thing.
I know, it's probably kind of waning on addiction, but we're in the right place to be delivered from addiction, so it's all good.
There you go, free coffee at Powerhouse. I just love the guy behind making them in just like one
Crazy
thing.
wig.
Hey, well, that's it. That's your update for this week. If you can make it to the Easter services, we encourage you to do so. It's going to be unbelievable. I'll be there. Ali will be there. The whole Powerhouse family are going to be there.
Jesus will be there.
Jesus definitely, most importantly, will be there. And so, with that, we will say adios.
Arrivederci.
Love you, Powerhouse.
Terrified of the world, now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war for these ghetto girls and boys.